This is an Alberta emergency alert. Edmonton Police Service has issued an Amber Alert. This alert is in effect for Alberta. The Edmonton Police Service needs your help in locating a 9-month-old girl that has been abducted by her mother. The child and mother were last seen early yesterday morning at a southwest Edmonton home on Mullen Road. The baby girl is Chinese, has dark hair, and has a round face. The mother is Chinese, 36 years old, 5'2", 125 pounds, and has straight black hair with yellow highlights. The mother is believed to have a stroller, baby supplies, and a large suitcase with her. She may be planning to go back to China. Police are concerned for the well-being of the child. If you have any information, please call the Edmonton Police Service at 780-423-4567. For details visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media.